crane. Behind this hill there are cranes, and I tried to be silent, and they were really close to the road. Wow. Wow, this is really high. This is really high. Hello everyone from Lithuania. I'm in Lithuania right now for a work trip, a couple of weeks, and as you see, it is already spring in Lithuania. So yeah, I brought my gear also with me for a work trip, and luckily I brought them, and because as you saw in my last videos, I struggled a lot to find wildlife and to film something. It was really dark and really depressive times in Finland. It was so difficult to find any wildlife. Like last weekend I was in some forest to find a pygmy owl. I saw it also like in eBird application. Like a few people has made that observation, but I have been there like 6 hours, 5-6 hours, and I saw nothing. I walked a lot, spent a lot of time. Not only like owl, I couldn't see anything. So it is really difficult times now. At least it was last week. Now it's warmer and spring is coming also to Finland. But yeah, and now I have been here already 1 week, and I found this bird tower, or it's kind of like national area. It's not designed as bird tower, but yeah, I just saw. I think it is still somewhere in the sky. I saw buzzard while walking here, and a lot of woodpeckers far in the field. I can see very far cranes, and I heard also some buzzard noises around here. But yeah, I don't know why this is not closer to lake, because there is really big lake there. But yeah, it is really nice. I recorded already last week a lot of amazing clips, like deers and some swans. Yeah, I've spent some time here, and then I will drive to hotel after eat some things. I have still some time, some weeks here, so yep, I hope I will find something to record this time. It was very nice experience. Nice tower, nice place. I don't think it's built as a bird tower. Some water here also. There are some small ponds like everywhere, like small lakes and the river. And yeah. But yeah, it was really nice day, nice experience. And after dark and snowy winter time in Finland, this was very nice. I already recorded last week some clips, and yeah, I think I have still 1 week. So yeah, crane, so close. like this hill. There are cranes and I tried to be silent and they were really close to the road. And now I will try to climb there and take photo of them. They are still there. Oh, there is also other ones on the other side of the road. So I took my tripod. I saw also, I think, buzzard in this sky. Yeah, there are others there. It's really amazing. A little bit countryside and you see a lot of birds and their footprints in the field. It's quite wet. Yeah, I can see them. They are now quite far. So behind that hill I will try to sneak from here, and they are there. See, can I get closer? Don't scare them. They are still there. I didn't want to get closer, but I saw also one couple in the sky exactly above me, and I don't know, maybe they are waiting that I get out here and they want to come here. I don't know. Yeah. Well, now it's time to go back to hotel. Hello. Another bird photography day in Lithuania. So, and also another water. I'm not sure, is this called as river or lake? But anyway, close to my workplace I found another water, and I actually saw one heron was flying towards reeds here while parked the car. I saw, and I'm actually waiting to see it. I want to go close. There was duck behind some reeds, so I tried to photograph it. And there are a lot of mallards, some duck species on water, and quite far swan. I think so. And a lot of birds in the sky. I think some geese. I saw some swan, some cranes, like folk coming from south. And yeah, a nice place to watch migration actually. And probably it is time now. It is one of best time. And yeah, I didn't see so big groups yet, but yeah, let's see, can I see the heron or some other species. I will also go to, there's something like bridge there, so I will go there also soon. I saw a few hours ago, I was having a walk, maybe 1.5 hours ago, I was having a walk and I saw two swans in the field, and they were passing from one side to other side of the road. There was asphalt road, and but they were not afraid of me. I was not so close, but I then took my position in the middle of the road. Then I took really amazing moment photo, but unfortunately the sunlight was so harsh, and on the asphalt because of the asphalt there was so much heat distortion, so the photo is not sharp, but very, very nice moment. So yeah, you see the photo now, and I had some walk there. I saw deers, of course, like every day, some cranes in the fields. Yeah, let's see. Very nice day. I'm waiting a little bit, sun gets down and softer, but yeah, amazing. Finally, finally I saw also the fox. I'm still checking. Can it be somewhere around here? I just parked the car nearby the road and I was going to one location where I saw the buzzard. So the fox was just passing the road. Then I followed the direction where it was going towards, and then I saw that it was passing in the field here. I couldn't record so closely, but it was still good and interesting thing that oops, not off. It's so wet here, and interesting that it was passing from the field, and then I start to hear cranes, and it just passed behind the cranes. So now I'm also recording the cranes. But yeah, well, every a few kilometers you find something interesting here. It's really amazing. There is amazing sunrise on the right side of the road, and I have been here for 2 years, like many times for work trip, and every day while I'm passing here by the car I was seeing the buzzard on top of some branch, and but I never had camera with me, and when I had camera, whenever I see the buzzard and go out of the car while filming, before even start to film or photo, it was just flying away. But now I was lucky that I saw it. Then I parked a little bit far and like hide it. Then I could record it really close and very good sunlight. But now it is back. So I'm just thinking, should I go a little bit further? I'm sure it will not let me photograph, but let me show. So oh, that's so far. It is somewhere there. It didn't let me to get close, but I already took really nice one as I wanted. Very good light and on nice branch, enough close. But yeah, now I think already sun is setting and soon there is no enough sunlight here. It's time to go, and I think this was my last bird photography day in Lithuania. Soon I will turn back to home, and yeah, I hope you enjoy the video and the rest of the clips. Yep, see you later.